2026. It's Thursday today. Happy Thursday. So, this is the last week. With tomorrow, the month is going to end. January is going to end. Okay, pretty much January is good. Only first week was a little bad for me. Other than that, uh, everything is good. So, yesterday I didn't take any trade. I was out in London session and invite session. I didn't get any proper trade, proper structure. No, not a good price action to take a trade. So yesterday we got federal fund rate as 3.75 as focus, and FOMC statement, FOMC press conference, and today, 30 minutes after NY open, we have unemployment claims. Okay, let it be at that time. So what are the news that we got? Okay, rate sparks. FXN rates are doing their own thing. Federal Reserve issues FOMC statement. Okay, inflation remains somewhat elevated. The committee, FOMC press conference, Trump weighing major strike on Iran after diplomatic discussion failed to progress. Okay, so let's look the chart. So, daily chart. Wait a minute. So the daily is, yesterday closed without a top wig, and today it started with a gap, and market moved all the way to $5,500. So market is now in 5,571. Maybe end of February. Is it 6,000 for in end of February? Come on, what the hell is going, brother, guys? I never seen gold is moving like this. So there is no gap in my empty trade meta trader. But here I have. Okay, let's look the 4 hour. The new 4 hour started. So this is just started here. That's it. Nothing much. And there is no lower wig in this candle. So the 4 hour is going. Okay. We see the 1 hour. We had our resistance here. Maybe are we feeling this wig? Can be. So 30-minute time frame. Let's look. This is our resistance. And I take this as my support. Nothing else this as my support. So this is my support resistance. We can fill this wig, right, if we break. But how much is this? Oh my god, 250 pip of wig. Okay. Let's look the 15 minutes. So if we see the 15 minutes, okay, we after this rejection, we came down a little, started to move in sideways. We had a resistance here, broke, but didn't went up. Came down, tested this area was tested, and again, the previous 15-minute broke this high. Sorry, this 15-minute, and if you see the 30-minute, both closed above the resistance. So this candle started and pushing all the way up. We can't take this trade actually because very simple, we don't have a lower wick, so we don't know where to keep our SL. So if we are taking this trade at this point, where should I keep our SL? We don't have any SL here, so I didn't take this trade because of no SL. No SL, so no trade. That's it, guys. Nothing much. So I like to take a trade that if market goes up, yeah, he can go. It comes down, make a reversal somewhere here. Bearish, 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 and a small body bullish long wig rejection, and then that bullish break, we can take the trade. So this is what I am looking, and the volumes are very big. See if you see this within 4 minutes, how much this market candle have gone. Come on, 160 pips. I don't know what to tell. I was like, okay. So if I'm taking like, if a candle in 3-4 minutes moving 160 pip means that can be our SL. So per minute, how much market will be moved? See, let's see the. I'm not trading. Just let's see the 1 minute. So this is the first 4 hour candle. This person moved 70 pip, and this small body is 10 pip. 1 minute candle. These are, and this is 98 pip, and again this bullish almost went to 100 pip. Come on, I don't know what to tell. So these all are 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute, just 1 minute time frame, guys. So if 1 minute is worse, how can it be the fifth 5 minutes? So this is the trade idea for me. Resistance broke. Okay, let the market go and come back because this is the new 4 hour. So this 4 hour need a lower wing. So I just want candle to close bearish, 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 good structure and a reversal, and then break off that reversal candle's high. We can target some trade. Oh my god, 260 pip, 250 pip, 52 pip. Technically, in 4 5 minutes, I have seen these kind of moves in a NFP day only. NFP news time only. Market moves like 200 pip, 300 pip in 4 5 minutes. But this is, there is no news, nothing. Is there any news? No, nothing. But market is like rocketing. So let's say if I get a trade, set up only I will trade. Just you can buy and the market will go. I can't do that because we're taking a proper risk. Okay, we need some, but uh, discipline, right? To take a trade. Without discipline, we can't take. So let's wait for the setup, guys. And yeah, hope you all wait, guys. So that's it for the day.